Okay guys, just a quick pineapple update. You can see this one already has its top coming out, and if you look down in here you can see it almost looks like a little bud. That is one of the next suckers that will come off of this plant, and actually it will turn into something like this. This is one that we didn't remove, and that's another one we didn't remove, and there's a second one. They usually come out in 2s or 3s, so right here. So there's one, there's another, and this one has really taken off too. No suckers coming off of it yet, but you can see those bright purple flowers around the bottom, and in the top you can tell where it's getting a little bit green too. So these are 2 of our pineapples that we will have this year, and I'm going to have to find something to do with all these suckers. I don't think that I can plant any more pineapples, so just a little update. Hope all of you are well and have a great day.